Hey folks, I'm in Los Cristianos and I thought I'd do a wee video showing you the restaurant area, so let's check this out. Now there's some restaurants along there. It's Mexican, kebabs, there's an Indian restaurant there. Now I haven't tried many of the restaurants here, I have to admit. Me and Jacqueline, we tend to find one we like, and not one or two that we like, and we kind of stay there. Play it safe sometimes, you know. Jackie's a fussy eater, but I'll just show you. Now, the last time I was here, I did eat there, and I think it was a breakfast I got there. I'm sure it was a breakfast I got there, and it was really nice. In fact, no, sorry. I think it's this one. So this restaurant, I got a nice breakfast in. I really liked it. Get a really good breakfast here. This is Lanairs too. I haven't eaten this one, but I have ate on Lanairs 1, so I'll show you that. There's Burger King. Top quality gourmet food there. I know maybe Burger King now and again. Up here we've got, what's this? Paella de Mar. Tapas and paellas. And there's Lanairs, this restaurant we have tried, and it's lovely. We've been there a couple of times. So there yesterday had cream of pumpkin soup and lamb chops with peppercorn sauce. Absolutely lovely. Really good restaurant. And there's another rally hope shop. Takes you to Church Square. Seafood restaurant. Aqua Marina. So I'll just show you up here. This is Church Square. Look at that. Lovely building. It's always a good tip whenever you're going somewhere abroad, you go for something to eat, somewhere like this where it's dead hot. Don't eat up the front, eat up the back. There's only a few restaurants at the front I'd recommend. One of them is Rosario's. That's a really nice restaurant. That's just along for the H10 Big Star, so check that one out. So I'm just going to show you down here. Some more restaurants. I could be getting mixed up because I travel a lot, and I think there's an Italian restaurant in one of the corners here. But again, I could be wrong. It's hard, see when you go to different places all the time, it's hard to remember what's what. I wonder if that's that. That sounds like pizza cocktails. I'll take a wee detour. There's a wee pizza place. I'm not sure that's not the one I was thinking of, but oh, say hello. What's your restaurant called?
San Gabriele.
San Gabriele.
Best pizza.
Best pizza, okay.
Los Cristianos.
Okay, there you go, folks. Try this one out. Thanks, man. I don't know how good that restaurant is, but you could try it out, see what you think. Let me know in the comments if you have. Aqua Viva. Now I'll just show you some of the waterfront restaurants. Nice to sit out the front next to the beach, but most of the time you'll be paying through the nose. Oh, hot day. It's great going under the trees for a wee bit. Very hot. I'm out for sunblock. Yeah, stupid, I know. So, get along here. I'll show you a wee kebab place that we like. We got it recommended and I we really liked it. Over here you can get a wee slushy if you want. Some ice cream. Oh, very hot. So I'll show you this kebab place. We got it recommended to us, and the last time I was here, we kind of used that as our place for lunch. After a couple of weeks, exceptions. What's the wee gift shops? There's a tandoori hut. I don't know, is that a shop? I think that might be a shop. I like an Indian food, but Jacqueline doesn't like Indian food, so we're kind of restricted, unless it does like fish and chips or something like that, which I think is kind of rare. We found one in Salou that we liked, and it did everything for her and Indian food for me. Fado's restaurant. There's a Destino pizzeria. Asia Chick restaurant. Up there's Gonzales, Old Irish bar. I showed this in a previous video, but I'm going to show it again because why not? There's Gonzales, the Old Irish bar. On the second floor, entertainment, karaoke, sports, food, and look up, free beer. There's our Wi-Fi password. Right? I bet that's caught a few people out. This up here is Kebab Guru. This is where I get told to go by someone. They use it all the time. So I like the kebabs in it. So I'll need to get one before we go. Tenerife first excursions. Scotsman Kevin recommends them, and we'd previously used them to go to paragliding. Well, Jacqueline did, I didn't. I'm a big theatre. But this is Kebab Guru. Highly recommend it. There's a few kebab shops here. Oh, it's a hot day. So down here a lot of gift shops, cafes, and I'm going to show you a hidden gem down here. I showed this in a previous video, but I think it's well worth people knowing about it because it is a wee bit out the way. When I say out the way, it's like a minute off a strip, but if you didn't know it was there, you wouldn't go looking for it. You see that wee supermarket there? It's round the back of that. And I believe it's called Damien's Tapas. I think that's right. I'm sure that's right actually. Let me see. So you go down this way. So there we go, there's some of the drinks deals. €1.50 for draft beer. So it's down there, Damien's Bar and Tapas. A real hidden gem. So this is the H10 Big Sur, and there's the wee spa. It's a lovely hotel. Over here, you get, I think that's the bowls. I'm sure it's bowls. And there's the mini golf. Like a wee game of mini golf. It's a lovely walk along here. The last time I was here, I don't know if it was market day or what, but there was loads of wee things along here. Similar to the wee stall selling souvenirs. I was better the last time. I'm sure it was there for a couple of days it was like that, but I could be wrong. So over here is a wee strip with a few restaurants, but my favourite restaurant in Los Cristianos, Rosario's, is over here. I've done this in previous videos, but I'll do it again, because why not? They were really good to me and Jacqueline. Jacqueline especially, they were really good with her. Jacqueline's a fussy eater and they were quite accommodating. So, there we go. There's Rosario. It's closed just now, but it should be open later. I'm hoping it's open later because I really like it. Anyway, that was the Los Cristianos restaurant tour. Hope you've enjoyed that. Hope you like my recommendations if you try them. Especially Rosario's. Rosario's is good. I really like that. You probably noticed. Anyway, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.